We'll discuss some basic questions of chemistry. So now let's start. First question is, explain the term aliquot and diluent. Aliquot is a measured sub-volume of original sample and diluent is material which with sample is diluted. Now second question, explain what is molality. Molality is the number of solute that is present in 1 kilogram of a solvent. Now, third question is, explain what is titration. Titration is a process to determine the molality of a base or an acid. In this process, a reaction is carried out between the known volume of a solution with a known concentration against the known volume of a solution with an unknown concentration. Now, fourth question is, explain what is buffer. A buffer is an aqueous solution which has highly stable pH. It is depend of a weak acid and its conjugate base or vice versa. In adding small amount of base or acid to buffer, its pH hardly changes. Now next question, explain how buffer works. In buffer, when hydrogen ion is added, it will neutralized by the base. In buffer, hydroxide ion will be neutralized by the acid. On the overall pH of the buffer solution, these neutralization reaction will not show much effect, while when you select an acid as a buffer, so solution try to use an acid that has a pH close to your desired pH. This will help your buffer so achieve nearly equivalent amount of acid and conjugate base so that it will enable to neutralization as much as H plus ion and OH minus ion. Now next question, explain what is mole. Mole is the unit used to define the number of chemical substance present in a substance. It is the amount of substance which contains of the same number of chemical units as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of pure carbon 12. Now 7 question, how will you calculate how many moles of glucose present in 320 ml of 5.0 m of glucose solution. आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे कि इसमें ग्लूकोज के कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स प्रेजेंट हैं. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, कन्वर्ट द वॉल्यूम फ्रॉम मिलीलीटर्स टू लीटर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम जो हमारे पास वॉल्यूम है मिलीलीटर में गिवन है उसको हम लीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 320 into 1 liter upon 1000 milliliter equals to 0.320 liter solution. Second, use the formula equals to m into v is equal to 5.0 moles glucose per liter solution into 0.302 liter solution. टोटल हमारे पास कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आ जाएंगे. 1.6 मोल्स ऑफ ग्लूकोज प्रेजेंट इन 320 ml of solution. Now next question 8, explain what is the difference between fractionation and distillation. Both methods are used to separate the components present in the solution based on the melting point. ये दोनों ही methods जो हम use करते हैं वो किसी भी components में किसी भी solution में melting point के base पर solution में components जो separate होते हैं उसको calculate करने के लिए. Distillation, the technique is used when boiling point of chemicals are different in the mixtures And fractionation. This technique is used while boiling point of chemicals are close to each other in the mixture. So स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे आज के कुछ क्वेश्चंस। अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस पे हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।